Hey, how you doing, guys? It's Belly here. I do coding stuff on YouTube. Check the description for all my information. I do all LeetCode problems. Make sure you subscribe to the channel. Give me a big thumbs up to support it. And this is called the K strongest value in an array. By the way, I've been slacking off lately, so it's time to set the pace, I would say. Let's start with this problem. Given an array of integers r and an integer k, a value at array at I is said to be stronger than a value at array j if array at I minus m is greater than like that means absolute value is greater than the element at the position of j minus m, absolute value as well, where m is the median of the array, and if array I minus m equals to array j minus m, then array at I is said to be stronger than array at j if array at I is greater than array at j. Return a list of the strongest k values in the array. Return the answer in any arbitrary order. Median is the middle value in an ordered integer list. More formally, if the length of the list is n, the median is the element in position n minus 1 divided by 2 in the sorted list, 0 indexed. For array 6 minus 3, 7 to 11, n equals to 5, and the median is obtained by sorting the array minus 3, 2, 6, we just sort this array, and the median is r at m, where m equals to 5 minus 1, right? Like the length of this array, divided by 2 equals to 2, equals to 0, 1, 2, this one. And the median is 6. You can check this out as well. There are some examples here. Let's look at, let's look at this example. As you can see, there is an array, right? First we need to sort this array, and then we compare the difference between, we pick up the middle element, right? And then we just check which difference is bigger, and suppose we got difference to your left is greater than the difference to your right, so we just set up like at this position to your left, right, to this value, like minus 3, right? And if we got the difference to your right is greater than the difference to your left, then we set up our array to the value to your right, and we use 3 pointers, like left pointer, right pointer, and the pointer to insert at the right index into your new result array of that results. You can check the constraints as well, like you can be sure that k is less than or equals to array.length, right? And yeah, that's it. So let's start. I'll show you how to do that. So first you need to set up 3 pointers. The first one will be like the middle pointer equals to 0. The next one is the left pointer equals to 0 as well. And the right pointer equals to array.length -1 to get the last index into this array of R. Yeah, that's it. So next, what we're gonna do is that we need to compute, we need to get the value at the middle pointer. So to do that, you need to say int middle, like middle pointer, right? The value at the middle equals to array array.length -1, and here divide by 2, right? And as you remember, here, like there is there was a condition where, yeah, here, like the median is the element in position n -1 divided by 2. Like here, right, we got the length of this array 5 equals to 5. So 5 divided by 2 equals to 2, right? So we just pick up this element 7, like 0, 1, 2, and in the case when it is like the length of this array is an odd number, and if it's even, like here, we pick up like this one, because 4 minus 1 equals to 3, and 3 divided by 2 equals to 1. So we just pick up like you just need to look at the middle of this array and kind of like to your left, I would say. That's it. So here we got 3 pointers, yeah, and we got the middle element into this array of R. Next, what we're gonna do is that we need to create a while loop, and we set up the condition while the middle pointer, right? Like the middle point, like not middle pointer, the pointer to with which we can insert the element at the right position in our new array, right? So while m is less than k, we as you know, guys, as you remember, that's 0 based in Java, so elements like start from 0, right, into an array. So we check if array at the position of we say we have like first hold up. First we got the middle element minus array at the position of the left pointer if it's bigger than, if it's greater than array at right minus mid, and before that we need to make sure that we have sorted this array of R, right? This R array. We need to say arrays dot sort. We use dual pivot in order to sort this array. So we got the most, like the biggest value to your right and the smallest one to your left. That's how that works in Java. Arrays.sort array, and if middle minus array at the left pointer means like here, right? We just sorted this array. Let me show you. We just sorted this array. That will be something like -3. Then we got 2. Then we got like 6, 7, and 11. We pick up, like the middle will be 6, right? So we just check 6 minus -3 equals to 9. So 9 is greater than array at R equals to 11. 11 minus 6 equals to 5. So 9 is greater than 5. So that's true. So in this case, we create, we need to set up an array containing the all results, right? Before we will be doing that, we just say int result equals to new integer, and the length of that array will be k, the number of elements, because that's 0 based. And here we say result at the position of like m, right? M, by the way, m equals to, yeah, m is the right position into this, or into this array of that results. The position of m equals to array at left, and also at each iteration we need to increment the right position and the left pointer by 1 after that. Otherwise, if it's not, then we just pick up the bigger, if I mean, suppose like we got the same differences. So in this case, we just pick up the right, like the element on the right, because we sorted this array before, and we know that the biggest element will be on your right. So we just pick up the bigger element. And we say result at m equals to array at right, and here we need to increment the right point, like like the not the right, like right left, the right pointer to insert this value to the right, the pointer to insert this value at the right position. We increment m by 1, and also we decrement the right pointer. We go to the middle of this array and we are calculating the differences. So we just say r right, the right pointer minus minus, and finally we return the result. Of course we need to comment that to prevent and yeah, that's the whole problem. First we just sort this array, then we create 3 pointers and the value at the middle of this array, array dot length minus 1 because of that condition, right, and divide by 2 in order to get the middle, the value at the middle, and we create new array containing all, which will contain all the results, the length of k, and we create a while loop while m is less than k. Then we just check which difference is bigger, and we just set up that value at that element, at that position, at the pointer of, like, at the m's pointer, yeah. And we increment m and we increment l in this case, and else we just increment m and decrement the right pointer, because and finally we just return result. Let's run this code. We will see. Accepted. There we go. Good. Feels so great. Let's submit. First try. Success. Good. Thank you guys for watching. Leave your comments below. I wanna know what you think. Follow me on social medias. I do all LeetCode problems. Make sure you subscribe to the channel. Give me a big thumbs up to support it. And if you need some help, feel free to ask me whatever. For real, no cap. And see you next time. Thank you. Bye.